Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share Google Sheets with specific email address, meaning you can share it with exactly the person you choose. Before we get started, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Open the spreadsheet you want to share. Click the share button in the top right corner of the screen. In the small share window, click once on the Add People and Groups field. Type in the email address of the person you want to share with, then press enter. Once the address is added, you'll see a drop down next to it to Set Permissions. Viewer, the person can only view the file. Commenter, the person can view the file and add comments, for example, to cells. Editor, the person can do everything you can do, including editing the file. I'll choose editor here. In the message box, enter what you want to appear in the email. Here I just type message as an example. Click send to send the invitation to the email address. You'll see access updated at the top, confirming that the person now has access. If you are curious about what the email looks like, here's the layout. First your name, then the name of the shared file, and then the message you typed. Below that is an open button. When the invited person clicks it, they can open and edit the sheet immediately. We've reached the end of the video. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Take care.